Hi, my name is Trudy MacDonald. I'm the Managing Director of TalentCode HR. As we start to move through the initial phases of business and personal disruption associated with COVID-19, forward-looking organisations are establishing plans and taking action to rebuild a high-performance workforce. The challenge we face as a business community is how we can bring our businesses back stronger than ever when there's so much uncertainty. Economic recovery is expected to be slow and traditional ways of working have been disrupted. As you work through the planning on the people side of your business, there's a number of key areas that you may want to take into consideration. The first is redefining who you want to be moving forward. During times of a crisis, it often becomes really clear to us what our vision is, what our strategy is, personal ownership, our external customer orientation, and how we can operate to maximize our success. As you look forward into the future, it's important that you have a clear position around who you're going to be as the new normal starts to emerge. The second point, which directly cascades from this, is identifying what capabilities you need within your team to fulfill your promise of who you want to be moving forward. COVID-19 has accelerated the adoption of digital solutions, and for many organisations, as they start to work towards being a platform business, this is going to mean not only new ways of working, but different skills and capabilities will be required in the business moving forward. The third area of consideration is to ask yourself, how do you rethink your business operations? Specifically, what have you learned from this experience, and what would you like to be doing differently moving forward? A study in just April of this year from McKinsey showed that 60% of surveyed businesses felt that their sales teams working in a remote environment were at least as effective or more effective than they were working under a traditional model. Ask yourself, what's changed within your business and how can you leverage some of those changes moving forward? The fourth key area of consideration is to ask yourself, where is the new talent that you need, and then how are you going to retain it? Many people have been laid off, they're underemployed, or they've chosen not to go back to traditional ways of working. What's the opportunity that this creates for you to possibly have a more flexible workforce that attracts the best talent to your organisation? And finally, what are your new ways of working going to be? Over the last 6 to 8 weeks, no doubt many new behaviours have emerged within your organisation. Which of those behaviours can you capture to redefine the ideal culture of the future? And how do you bring that to life in your organisation so that ultimately you're rebuilding a stronger, more resilient organisation? If you would like a hand rethinking how you can recreate and relaunch a high-performance workforce and culture within your business, don't hesitate to reach out. We'd be delighted to help you.